Hi, today is a quick tutorial about how to convert simulation caches from AUR to VDB and backwards. This is very typical situation when you spend a lot of time for simulation, but you need to send the caches to another artist or department with different software. The simulation is time consuming and silly since we have this tutorial. So let's begin. For this tutorial I prepared this fire simulation, and let's pretend that this is the final version and you spend on simulation a lot of time. Here we have its cache sequence and I made it by default in AUR format. To convert this cache we will use a standard Phoenix tool cache converter. It is located by default here. If we will try to run this application from the window, it will not even start. This is correct, this tool doesn't have a UI and it's not supposed to just run with double click. To make it work, we need to open a command console and type with the text what to do. Don't worry, this is very simple, I will show you basics step by step and you don't have to be a programmer and write a code. To open the console, you need to press WinKR or just right mouse click on Start button on your panel and choose Run. This is the same, WinR is just faster. And now you can type CMD and press Enter and the black old school window will appear. A quick note, also you can call various system apps through this way, a calculator, notepad, wordpad. So let's go back to our conversion tool. Once you'll see your console, the last line will say something like this and blinking underscore. The system is ready for your command and currently stay in the folder users on drive C in my case. As you normally do in Windows, you must stay in a certain folder to run something from it. So let's go to the folder with our cache converter. For that we need to type command cd space and just paste a folder address. Press enter and you will see your last line console will change to this and blinking underscore in the end. This means we are in the folder now and we can run files from it. Let's type the name of the tool to run it, cache underscore converter.x. And if you hit enter button, you will see the whole instructions for how to use this tool with all possible commands, but I will explain you the basics. Let's type the tool name with some command what to do. To guide where to take original cache and where to keep converted, we have two commands, src file and dst file, which is easy to recognize, source file and destination file. So our command will have this structure, cache underscore converter.x space command src file space full address file sequence name with hashtags instead of frame digits space. Now we need to define where to keep our output converted sequence, command dst file space full address and file sequence name with hashtags instead of frame digits. Don't mess up with extensions what to what you will convert. In our case, for source file it is AUR and destination file is VDB. Press enter and the conversion process will start. To cancel, press Ctrl C. Let's make a reverse convert back to AUR from VDB. For that I will create a folder AUR for destination files and now rewrite a command. If to press arrow up on keyboard you will go back to your previous command, but I will leave only the beginning till src file. Copy paste a VDB folder address, write a file name with hashtags .vdb space dst file space, copy paste the address of new created folder and the file name reverse underscore hashtags.aur. Press enter and our reverse conversion will start. Our AUR files are creating, so everything is working. We can stop it with Ctrl C. Additionally, we have some specific commands that we can add. We can define the range of the sequence that we want to convert, start with frame number and end with a frame number. Also, it is possible to adjust storage quality and number between 8 for maximum compress and 20 for lossless quality. There are more extra commands for convert tool. You can learn more on Chaos website. Let's make a quick check if our conversion is actually work and the result is fine. A side is for AUR, which rendered in 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and B side for VDB, which took almost 5 minutes to render. As you can see, comparison between original and converted is spotless. Conversion was successful. That's it. I hope it was clear to understand. Leave your questions in the comments below this video. Also check my news and insight playlist. If you enjoy my tutorials, please subscribe to this channel. It will help to make it grow. See you. Bye.